1. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Bananas, scientifically classified as berries, are derived from a single ovary, making them true berries. On the other hand, strawberries, despite their name, are not true berries because they form from a flower with multiple ovaries. 2. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Honey's natural composition, with low water content and acidic pH, creates an environment unfavorable for bacteria and microorganisms. 3. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses possess 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue due to the presence of copper-based molecules, hemocyanin, instead of iron-based hemoglobin found in human blood. 4. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. When a congregation of flamingos comes together, it is aptly termed a flamboyance. These social birds are often found in large, colorful groups, adding to the spectacle of their collective name. 5. The shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896. The Anglo-Zanzibar War holds the record for the briefest conflict, lasting a mere 38 minutes. The war erupted when the Sultan of Zanzibar, who was pro-British, died and a successor the British disapproved of took power. 6. Cows have best friends and can become stressed when they are separated. Cows are social animals with strong bonds, particularly with specific companions. When separated from their best friends, they can exhibit signs of distress, including altered behavior and increased stress levels. 7. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish is biologically immortal. This jellyfish species can revert its cells back to their earliest form and restart its life cycle. This process of reverting to a juvenile state allows it to potentially live indefinitely, making it unique among creatures on Earth. 8. The longest word without a vowel is rhythms. While not common, the word rhythms is an exception in the English language as it does not contain any vowels. It showcases the diversity and intricacies of the English language. 9. A jiffy is an actual unit of time. In various fields, jiffy is recognized as an informal unit of time, equivalent to 1/100th of a second. It is often used in physics, computer science, and other scientific contexts. 10. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer. Due to thermal expansion, materials expand in response to temperature increases. The Eiffel Tower's iron structure expands and contracts, causing it to be slightly taller during warmer seasons. 11. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Wombats have a unique digestive system that forms their feces into cube shapes. This distinctive trait prevents the poop from rolling away, allowing wombats to mark their territory effectively. 12. The world's largest desert is Antarctica. Although commonly associated with hot and sandy environments, a desert is defined by its low precipitation levels. Antarctica fits this criterion, making it the world's largest cold desert. 13. Cleopatra lived closer to the invention of the iPhone than the building of the Great Pyramid. The timeline between Cleopatra's reign in ancient Egypt, 69 to 30 BCE, and the construction of the Great Pyramid at Giza, around 2560 BCE, is extensive. Surprisingly, Cleopatra lived closer to the modern era than to the ancient wonders of Egypt. 14. The dot over the lowercase I or J is called a tittle. This tiny punctuation mark, often overlooked, has a specific name. It's called a tittle. It contributes to the distinct appearance of the letters I and J. 15. The inventor of the Frisbee was turned into a Frisbee. Walter Morrison, the inventor of the Frisbee, expressed a wish to have his ashes turned into a Frisbee after he passed away. His unconventional request was fulfilled, and his final resting place became a unique, flying memento. 16. A group of owls is called a parliament. When owls gather, the collective noun for a group of these birds is referred to as a parliament. This term adds a touch of formality to the image of these nocturnal creatures convening. 17. The longest English word without a vowel is strength. The word strength stands out as a long English word that does not contain any vowels. It showcases the linguistic diversity present in the English language. 18. A single strand of spaghetti is called a spaghetto. While spaghetti is the plural form of the Italian word for thin string or twine, a single strand is humorously referred to as a spaghetto. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more facts.